Good morning students. In this video, we will study the various options available in a Scratch programming.
The terms the term stage in Scratch means the same as a stage created for a cultural program. By default, the stage appears white when we start Scratch. We can decorate the stage by adding backdrop. To perform this task, first select and click the icon from the list of a backdrop icon. Children, you can see here the backdrop library. Select a specific category or theme from the left pane of the window. Various backdrop design matching your category or theme will appear on the right pane of the window. Next, select an appropriate backdrop. Next, the backdrop will display on the stage as shown on the figure. Next, we can also set the sprite at an appropriate position. So, set the sprite at the appropriate position. Take the mouse pointer on the sprite. Click the left button of the mouse and drag the sprite. Next topic is changing the backdrop. Children, suppose you have created a backdrop but it is not suitable for your animation. Then you have option to change the backdrop. Step number 1, select and click an icon from the list of a backdrop icon. Select the specific category or theme from the left pane of the window. Then the backdrop will be displayed on the screen. Next topic is changing a sprite. Children, a sprite is an object produced on the stage of a Scratch window. You may need to remove one sprite and produce another sprite to meet your requirement. To change a sprite, first right click on the sprite and click on the delete option. Now select any new sprite icon from the library. A sprite library window will appear on the screen. Select any category or theme from the list and click one suitable object to be added on the stage. Then finally click OK on the lower pane of the window. The new sprite will appear on the stage. Next topic is changing the size of a sprite or changing the size of a image. So children, a sprite is an object available on the stage of the Scratch editor. You can resize a sprite as per as your requirement. First, click the shrink or grow option available on the file toolbar. Set the mouse pointer on the appropriate sprite. And keep clicking the left mouse button. The sprite will shrink or grow accordingly. Remove the mouse pointer from the sprite and keep it on a blank space of the stage and click the left mouse button once. Hence the sprite will be resized as per as your requirement. So children, you can see how can we change the size of an sprite.
Next topic is customizing the stage component. Children, Customization is an act of producing the element in different form. So we can customize the various stage components. So the stage components can be customized to appear in a various form. For example, you can customize the sprite and you can customize a backdrop. So in your syllabus, first customize the sprite and second one is customize backdrop.
So first is customize the sprite. Children, we can customize a sprite so that it can appear in the different forms on the stage. Step number 1. Select the sprite from the list of the sprite on the Scratch window. Next, click Costume and then click Costume from Library. Next, select the category or theme. A list of various costumes will appear in the right pane. Next is select an appropriate costume and click OK. The sprite with other costume will appear in figure. Next topic is customize a backdrop. Children, you can also customize a backdrop in the same way you customize a sprite. First, click on the stage 1 backdrop available at the lower pane of the Scratch window. Then select the costume backdrop and click choose backdrop from the library option from the new backdrop menu. A list of backdrop will displayed on the screen. Choose the category or theme. A list of various backdrop will appear on the right side of window. Finally, click OK. The backdrop will be customized